Yesterday we succeeded in deriving the formula for finding the roots of quadratic equations. We went as far as to doing some examples. So today I'm going to give you guys some homework, which is supposed to be our exercise 1. So I'll read the questions and you see. You listen to and copy them later. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations. A. X squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. B. X squared plus 4x minus 8 equals 0. C. X squared minus 4x minus 3 equals 0. 2. Express the following quadratic equations in the form x minus alpha into x minus beta, where alpha and beta are real roots. Correct this, please. This is x minus beta, not alpha minus beta. X minus beta. Solutions. Solutions to exercise 1.1. Consider equation 1a. X squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. Clearly, a equals 1, b equals 6, and c equals 9. Now we recall the quadratic formula. Recall x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We now substitute for A, B, and C in the formula. Substitute. For A, B, and C in the formula. We have x equals minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared minus 4 into 1 into 9. All over 2 into 1. Which tells us that x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 0 over 2. Which is equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3. So let's go over this one more time so you guys can understand. Now if we consider the equation x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0, clearly a equals 1, b equals 6, and c equals 9. We recall the almighty quadratic formula. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Substitute for a, b, and c in the formula. We have x equals minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared minus 4 into 1 into 9. 4 times 9 is 36. 6 squared is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. Which implies x equals minus 6 plus or minus 0 over 2. Which means x is equal to minus 3. In this case, we clearly see that the equation has repeated real roots. Now let's go to the next question. Hope you guys already copied these notes here. One B. Given x squared plus 4x minus 8 equals 0. Clearly, a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals minus 8. Recalling the formula, x equals the square root of, minus b plus or minus the square root of x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a and substituting for A, B, and C in the formula we have x equals minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 into 1 into minus 8 all over 2 into 1. This gives us x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 48 all over 2. Plus 16. Which results in minus 4 plus or minus 4 root 3 over 2. We'll rub off question 2 since you guys have already seen that. So this implies x1 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 3 and x2 is equal to minus 2 root 3. You can leave your answers in that form. So, given x squared plus 4x minus 8 equals 0, clearly a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals minus 8. Recall, x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Substituting for a and b. Substituting for a and b, for a, b, and c in the formula, we have x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 into 1 into minus 8, which results in x being equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 48 over 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 4 root 3 over 2. And this gives us the results: x1 equals minus 2 plus or minus plus 2 root 3, x2 minus 2 minus 2 root 3. Now let's do question 1c. We could just do it. Let's do question 1c on this side of the bar. C. Given x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals 0. Clearly, a equals 1, b equals minus 4, and c equals minus 3. Recalling the almighty quadratic formula, x equals minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and substituting for a, b, and c. In the formula, we have x equals 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 all squared minus 4 into 1 into minus 3 all over 2 into 1. This gives us x equals 4 plus or minus the root of 16 plus 12 is 26. 28, sorry. 28 over 2 which is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 7, implying x1 is equal to 2 plus 2 root 7, and x2 is equal to 2 minus 2 root 7, and that is the solution. So given the equation x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals 0, clearly a equals 1, b equals minus 4, and c equals minus 3. Recalling, x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and substituting for a, b, and c in the formula, we have x equals 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 all squared, which is 16, minus 4 into 1 into minus 3. So this is 16 plus 12, which is 28. So x equals 4 plus or minus the square root of 28, which is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 7, implying x1 equals 2 plus 2 root 7 and x2 equals 2 minus 2 root 7. Yeah. Victor, did I leave?